Hello guys, welcome back to our channel with a new video. Here we're gonna do brakes and rotor, front brake and rotor change or replacement for a 2004 F150. That's a V8 all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive one. We're gonna need a 18 millimeter socket for the caliper bracket, and we're gonna need I think 13 for the caliper bolt. So let's get the car inside the garage, jack the car up and take the wheel off.
All right, and when you're putting the brakes back, always inspect the boots. They're not dry, they're soft, no cracks anywhere. And in our situation here, actually this boot, it was cracked, big crack here and another crack right here. So you just pull it out, and after you pull it out, you try to clean it. It's clean, it's just a little bit. Grease is not a big deal because it's actually holding grease, so, but look for like any rust or dust, and it looks clean to me. That's it. Okay, it's just grease, is good. I got the kit for this car, which is 2004 F150 four-wheel drive, and it's the new style. It's not the heritage. Oh, sorry, the vintage. Heritage? Okay. That's the only year. It looks like it's the only year you care about. Is the new style or not? It's the 2004. But after that, I believe it's 2004 till 2008. They have pretty much everything the same. See, there's a groove in there. You're gonna put one side all the way in, then you squeeze the rest, and to make sure that you got it right. See, the edge is completely flat with the bracket, and it's good. You know what, we have the kit anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and change this one, although actually this one is good, but I'm gonna change it. We have the part, so then it's clean, no rust or dust, everything is clean. Yeah, it's clean. Once again, you're gonna put one side in till the edge go flat, then you turn it around and push it all the way in. That's it. Then we're gonna go back here, install the bracket. Put more grease in the boots. See, that's what you want. Easy, freely movements, because when you press brakes, this whole thing moves. When you release the brakes, it has to go back where it was. So next step it will be reinstalling the caliper. All right, installing the caliper. Before you put anything, just inspect your caliper. The O-rings, everything's clean. And if you remember when we were taking it out, we pressed it all the way. Then we have two springs here to help more after releasing the brakes to separate the pads. See, it separates the pads already. And if you're gonna use those, they're always meet in the middle, right in the center. So everything is ready. You bring your caliper. Now we're tightening the bracket. I've just tightened as I can, not so tight till I get actually the torque. You just tighten it to the torque as your car specs.